Hello, my name is Natalia, and today I'm going to talk to you about Task 2, Comparing Cultures and Places. To do this task, I choose to talk about the Colosseum Rome. So let's start. Okay, to start talking about this amazing place, I would like to start talking about the origins and construction of the Colosseum Rome. So, the Colosseum Rome is a giant atmosphere built in Rome. Its construction began under the Emperor Vespasian around century 1. For its inauguration, a great celebration was held and lasted 100 days, in which the Roman people were invited free to see the shows in the arena. So, but what happened? How became famous? So, how it becomes a famous place? Many times after its construction, this place became one of the most visited due to the persecution of the early Christians. Like it was during the first half of the 19th century, major restoration work was undertaken. All facts mentioned before allow that many people get interested on visit Italy in order to note the Colosseum Rome. But also by the 20th century, due to different problems of weather, like natural disaster and vandalism, have destroyed nearly two-thirds of the original Colosseum, including all the arena, marbles, seats, and the decorative elements. Restoration efforts began in the 1990s. Yes, so and have progressed over the years as the Colosseum continues to be a leading attraction for tourists from all over the world. But before the 1980s, or before the restoration made in the 1990s, this Colosseum in this place, yes, uh, many amazing things happens. So one of these things is like is that in 1953 a romantic comedy by William Wyler was filmed, and but not also this film. Yes, this was only the first step, since in this place many other films were recorded, and for that reason, from that moment, it is the most visited place. So in the 60s and the 70s, the Colosseum of Rome was surrounded by nature. So it's amazing all the things that happens in this place. This is an amazing place, and a lot of people like to know. Yes, so it is important to say that many people in the 60s visit this place with the purpose to note the amazing place in which many films were produced. But also, nowadays, people want to discover where gladiators fight in the medieval. Yes. So, what can I say? I can say that if you travel to Rome, you can you can leave the city without visiting the Colosseum. So, as I said, it is important that you know this beautiful place. So, here I have the opening hours. Yes, so this is a short schedule about the opening hours. Yes, from all year. So we have the schedule from January to December. Yes, so you can go to visit this beautiful place on January, February, March. whatever you want. Yes, and we have the hours. For example, on January we have we can visit this place uh, first from 1st to 31st January, opening hours from 8:30 to 16:30. Yes, so if you want to visit this place, you can't uh, leave visit. It is important to note about the culture, about what happened, and so on. So next, we have, but what is the best area to stay in Rome for first-time visitor? This is a question that many people ask, yes. And I can say that if you look for the most central place, choose the area around the Piazza Navoa and Pantheon, yes, because are places that are in the center city and that allow you not only to visit the Colosseum of Rome, but also you can visit all the touristic place around it, yes. So if you are planning to visit Rome, uh, this is this is the most interesting place you have to visit. So that's all for today. And thanks for your attention. Bye bye.